What's the best NSFW secret you found out about someone you know? 1. When I was in uni I lived in an apartment with 6 people. Each one of us had his/her own room with bathroom. There was a girl that was very loud when having a good time, and she would be loud at any time of the day. Once she invited me to her room because she needed help with her window, and I got a glimpse of all her fun time toys. She literally had dozens of buzzers. I left the room after 1 to 2 minutes, but the picture of her and all the stuff has been in my head for years. 2. A former coworker has been having an affair with the same guy for about 15 years. He is also married. She started doing it as revenge because her husband cheated. She forgave him but is getting her own on the side. 3. My ex-wife's younger sister did milk enemas and loved chocolate starfish fun time. She was drunk and depressed after her divorce and told me that via text when I was trying to console her. She also proved to a few of us after drinking that she did not have a jungle bush. My ex-wife was not impressed. I was though lol. 4. A year after I graduated college, some of my friends found out that one of our classmates was doing in-home modeling services. Keep in mind this was CA 2000. Before OF, she later appeared at the 25th reunion, and was surprisingly happy to see me. We barely spoke in college. 5.